This video is a little longer than the others, and I'll be showing you how to conduct a search using the KSU Library website. So you want to go to library.kennesaw.edu. We're going to use the sample paper linked in D2L. The topic is how digital media have affected the idea of intercultural communication. And our title has some key terms in it. So we'll use digital media and intercultural communication to start with. And the keywords that the student also has are globalization, cultural identity, and we'll use a few of those too. We'll want to go to the home page, library.kennesaw.edu, and type in our key term. If it's a phrase, 2 or more words, you'll want to put it in quotations, and you can either space or type and. Either is fine. And what that does is it makes sure your search results will have both phrases in them. So every article that you find will have both phrases. We'll press search. As you can see, you get a lot of results. And do keep in mind that there is a difference between an academic journal, a book, periodical. Just because it comes from the library, that doesn't make it a scholarly publication. Doesn't mean it's not credible, but a periodical or popular press is not scholarly. So I click on academic sources, then scholarly peer-reviewed journals. And what peer-reviewed means is that other experts have reviewed the article or the book material before it's been published. It's been revised probably many times before publication, which makes it quite credible. So here, this looks like a good option, and we'll click on it. And here you can find more key terms under the subject terms, some of the keywords. Let's look at the PDF. Read the abstract. Looks like something we can use. Download it. And I like to look at the references of promising sources as well, and that way you can find even more sources. So make sure you check that references section. We'll look at another one. This one looks pretty good, like it would be useful. Again, those subject terms and keywords can give us more terms we can use in our searches and see what types of words scholars use. You can even save in your Google Drive, but I like to download. Read through your abstract to see if it's something you can use for your paper. Look at your keywords. Then make sure you check that references section again. You'll find more sources. It's called bibliography mining. So let's try this by adding another key term. We'll use globalization, and it will narrow our search a bit. The more terms you use, the more narrow the search will become, and this looks perfect. So I'll click on it and download it and use it as a source. You can also find databases by title in the search. And you have quite a few databases listed in your textbook. You can even go to the home page to find a database. Click on whichever letter corresponds with the first letter of the database name, or you can do databases by subject and type. The communications and media databases are very specific to comm studies. So if you've found some good sources, 3 to 5 good sources, look in their bibliography and go to the databases and look specifically in comm databases. A couple of other things I want to show you. One, some resources for you, research help under services, research help. And what this does is it puts you in touch with a reference librarian at Kennesaw State. Reference librarians basically help you form a research plan and can help you find sources.